And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please help me subscribe to the channel as you are watching the video. Also like the video, just help me click on the like button. It helps this channel a lot. Thank you, and God bless you for doing that. So we are doing something on tritone substitution. Tritone substitution. All right, so let me just give you a few tips on this, or you can use it. It's simple. Okay, so I'm starting from the key of C. So you know what a tritone is already. A tritone is like 3 tones apart or 6 semitones apart. So from C to F sharp is a tritone. So the 6 semitones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. So you can practice chromatically. Sorry. That's it. Chromatically, and we have we just have 6 tritones. The rest are inversion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So invert. If you look at this, it's something like this, but just inversion. So this makes F sharp, all right, and C. So G and C sharp. Yeah, C sharp and G. That's it. Okay, so on C now, if I'm playing a dominant chord is a major chord adding the flat seventh. This is a dominant chord on C. So if I'm to play a chord like this chord 1 on C, I'm going to 4. So what is the tritone of C? The tritone of C is F sharp. The tritone of C is F sharp. So instead of playing a chord like this before going to 4, look at what I played. C, E, F, sorry, what am I saying? C, E, B flat, D, E, A, and C to chord 4, right? To chord 4. What I can just do instead of playing this, I can play something like this. Can you hear the difference? And it changes the, what's it called, the thing, and add color to it and create some kind of tension. You see what I played here? So I played a dominant on F sharp instead of a dominant on C. The tritone of C is F sharp, right? So you go to the F sharp and form a dominant. So you can still play it on the same chord I was playing, something like this. Or I can play this way. That's it for 1, 4. So you're playing a song. Jehovah, you are the most high. You are the most high God. Jehovah, you are. That's it. Just substitution. The most high. You are the most high God. Okay. So let's go to another chord. Let's say you are doing 7, 3, 6. 7, 3, 6. So if you are doing 7, 3, 6. If you have to form a dominant on the 7th, this is the 7th. You have to form a dominant. This is C, then major third, the 5th, and then the flat 7th. Well, in this case, I will remove the 5th. This is it. So let's plan to play this chord now over. Yeah, this chord. Let's say this is my 7. 7, 3, 6. You heard that? 7, 3, 6. 7, 3, 6. So instead of playing this, I can substitute this. So what's the tritone of this B? Now that's the 7th. 7, 3, 6. So what's the tritone of the 7th? The tritone is F. Don't forget 6 semitones or 3 tones apart. So it's F. So I will go to F and play this same chord on F. This dominant chord, which is this, on F. So I can still play the same thing. So instead of playing, you can hear it sound jazzy. Yeah, I like it. So 7. So you can play this. This me saying I'm playing chord 7, right? 7, 3, 6. That's it. 7. That's tritone substitution now. Then 3, 6. Okay. So let's say we want to substitute the 3 also. So I'm doing this so that you can, at least when I do like 3, you will be able to grab what I'm saying. So let's form a dominant on the 3. That's still on key C. This 3, that's dominant. E, like G sharp and D. So I'm removing the fifth in this case. So I want to substitute this now. Tritone sub. What is the tritone of this E? The tritone of E, 6 tones apart. The tritone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is B flat, right? So you go to B flat and play a dominant chord like this chord I'm playing, which is this. So let's see if it will work. Woo! Wow. I like it. So let's play 7 3. The 7 is tritone sub, the 3 is tritone sub, then the 6 is the normal chord. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 7. Oh my god. So that's tritone sub. So instead of playing this, you can just play this instead. Instead of playing 7, you can play this. That is, instead of playing 1 this way before going to 4, you can play your 1 this way. I like this one. Okay, that's it. So on F sharp, let me just see if I can break it down. The 7th, the 1, I play this on the 1. This is 1 on F sharp, right? And this is what I'm playing on F sharp. 1 4 1 4 on F sharp. So what am I going to do? So just substitute this, right? The tritone of F sharp is C, isn't it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 is C. So I will just go to C and play this chord. So this is from here to here. So instead of playing this now, I can just come here and play. That's it. 4. That's 1 4. Can play it that way. Instead of play, you can twist it around. Just play. That's it. So this is what I played here. Oh yeah. Then 4. That's it. Then the 7. This is the 7th on F sharp. This is the 7th. So we are playing 7th now. 7. Just look at what I'm playing. Now number 7. So we are playing the song. There is none like you. That's there is 7 3 6. That's it, right? So what I'm playing now, I will substitute this as tritone. So what I will just do, what's the tritone of this? That's our root note 7th is B. So I will play this chord. Yeah. So there is none. You can hear that. So here, this is 7. There is none. The 6 like this is 3 Q. So the 3 is rooted, like not substitution. And you see, if I want to substitute it, what are you going to do? The tritone of this is E. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's it. So you just go to E and play the same thing. And you see, you can play this. That substitution. So there is none like you. That's it. 7 3 substitution. Then 6 the normal chord. That's it.